In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card using Trust Wallet. Yes, it's possible and pretty straightforward. Let's jump right in. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone and make sure you have a wallet set up already. If not, create one and keep your recovery phrase safe. Never share that with anyone. Now tap the Buy button next to Bitcoin or go to the Trade section, where you can find different ways to buy crypto. Trust Wallet partners with several third-party services like MoonPay, Mercurio, or Simplex, which let you buy Bitcoin directly with a credit or debit card. Select Bitcoin BTC, then enter the amount you want to buy or choose a preset value. You'll be asked to enter your billing information. Just fill in your name, email, and address. Next, choose your payment method and tap Add Credit or Debit Card. Enter your card details carefully. Review the total amount, including fees, and hit Buy to confirm. The process usually takes just a few minutes, and once done, your Bitcoin will appear in your Trust Wallet. Quick tip: always double-check the fees before confirming. Some providers charge higher fees for small transactions. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick crypto tips. See you next time.